beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. Yay, we made it. Yes, today we're going to be talking about mood boards. So in every single business, there is a vision, there is a mood, there's a feeling, regardless if it is a service-based business or a product-based business. There's always a mood and a vision. So we're going to do mood board, vision board, whatever you want to call it, for our businesses today. Is so important, and I promise you, doing a mood board, a vision board, is going to help you so much with your business, because for each season, each holiday, however you choose to do it, you're going to have a plan. You're going to know what colors you want to work with. You're going to know the mood that you're going for. If there are different type of materials that you want to use, you're going to know what to do, because you're going to have it all planned out, and you're going to have this vision, and it's going to provide the perfect mood for your brand. So we're going to talk about that, but first, as always, we are starting our year with intention. And so I really hope that you went out and that you got, some cute notebooks and planners and things of that nature to get you through the year and keep your intentions going. I always do start off the new year with planners and notebooks. And this year I have this cool one. It's affirmation notebook set. And so with these, it's different sayings on 12 different notebooks. So each month I'll write affirmations and journal or whatever I want to do inside of these cute little notebooks. And so, New Year, better me, more self-love, lucky you, no rain, no flowers, busy bee, stay golden, light up the sky, be bold, think it, want it, get it, love that one, let it go, thankful, and you got this. My mom bought me these for Christmas, so I didn't have to go searching around for them, and I absolutely love them. And I've already started using New Year, Better Me, because that is the January notebook, and I absolutely love it. I also went to Paper Source, and I got the Best Year Journal. It's a really cute journal, and basically inside there are so many things that you can work with, and it's a guided notebook. It's a guided journal, I guess you could say. So if you're really not used to journaling and you don't know what to do, like, this would be really cool. And then I know you've been seeing kind of this beautiful floral arrangement. Absolutely love it. The floral arrangement is just absolutely beautiful, and they're Forever Roses. And it's from a company called Rose Forever that is based in New York. They smell so good, and I've had these for a while. I just haven't had a chance to get the video out, but they're absolutely beautiful. They smell really good. I love kind of the ambiance it gives. I'm going to keep this in my video because I love it so much, unless I'm doing a demonstration, but they're real roses, and I've had this for months, and they haven't browned, they haven't died, they smell the same, they're just absolutely beautiful, and they do come with a top to preserve them. So I'll leave a link in the description box. Here's a picture of how the website looks. You can get them round, square, red, pink, blue, white, like whatever fits you, and they're at a really reasonable price. So I'll leave a description in the description box. I will leave the link, and I have a discount code for you, so make sure you use that so you can get a bit of a discount. So we're going to use Canva today to go through our mood boards. I've already created mine, and what I like to do is create it by season. So winter, spring, summer, fall. What are the colors that I'm envisioning for winter? If it's fashion, what am I envisioning there? Blues and purples and whites. And what is my mood for winter that's going to match the scents of my candles? So you'll see that on my Canva board as soon as I pull that up. always try to set the vibe for yourself. It's more like a ritual. When I sit down to work or to do videos or whatever else, journal, I meditate every day as well, as you know. I always like to set a mood for myself. The smell of these roses, I mean, is absolutely beautiful. So I love to have these open. And then I have my spiritual candle here. And so this has Palo Santo and sage, and it's an absolutely beautiful and relaxing scent. It's part of my ritual, and it just really gives me a good vibe, and that's what we're going for in 2022. 365 days of good vibes and good intentions. So anyway, let's go ahead and get into these mood boards. So Canva is where I do my mood boards. Just type in mood board in the search and select whatever vibe you're going for, whatever layout you want. They have so many to choose from. So just, select one and do what's right for you. Look at how many they have. So this is how you just select it. You go to the pictures. You can change the pictures, the colors, whatever you want to do. Just make it your own. If you're doing it for a particular season, do whatever. Here's mine. I like to do it by season, and I change the colors, and I select pictures that give me a particular mood. And so this is spring, and you can see how it changes from spring, winter, spring, summer, and then after summer we're gonna go into fall. And so as you can see, like the colors, the wording for the different collections, the pictures, the vibe, it's just all a mood for my business. And like I said, I think that this is really important, but always make it your own. Again, you could change the colors however you would like. Just whatever, like if this were for Valentine's Day, you could choose reds and hearts and whatever you want to do. You can also type the colors you want to use, and Canva will give you like a color board that you can choose from, so you don't have to think too much about it. But yeah, it's really, really cool, and I think that it is necessary. So make sure you do your mood boards. I hope you have fun creating your mood boards. Use Canva. There are other sites that you can use as well to create different artwork and put your mood boards together. As I mentioned in my previous video, not TaylorMade, sorry, I said it wrong the last time. It's Taylor Brands. They have a really, really great platform where you can create logos, and you can create all of your social media artwork and all of that good stuff. And I'm providing you with a 40% off discount. Yay! So make sure you take advantage. Click the link in the description box so you can move forward with that. And yeah, we did our vision boards. We're planning our businesses for the year, and we're gonna do great things. So I will see you all next time. Thank you so much. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, set the notifications so that you can get updates on all of these videos. We're gonna do so many fun things this year that's revolved around business and setting intentions and perfecting our candles. I know one of the things that I really want to show is how to create diffusers. I create them for myself, but I don't sell them because I find that it's just a lot right now, and I'm not ready to expand my line to that. But it's simple, and I want to show you all how to do that, and we're going to do that sometime, maybe this month or next month. I don't know when I'm going to fit it in, but we're going to do it. So yeah, thanks so much for watching my video, loves, and I will see you next time. Bye.